Look at this little fella.
Oh my god.
The continuation of Project Geoff, dismantling my friendly silver Rover 75. Here's the subframe. I'm grinding it back to something a bit more suitable with this monster. It's not really a monster though, is it? It's just a useful tool. I'm a groovy hamster. I'm a groovy hamster. I'm a groovy hamster. Let's go! I'm a groovy hamster. Nicely cleaned up subframe. Ready for paint? Ready for sale. What a lovely purpley colour. That's one of my lower arms sprayed yet again. It's actually nice to be able to handle bits of suspension components without getting dirty hands. Look at that. You could eat your dinner off of that. Pretty good actually, as it looks like a chicken. Would you like to see how easy it is to take a wing off a Rover 75? Would you? Huh? In theory, it's a doddle, because there are just a few 10mm bolts along the top, one just under there, two at the bottom there, and two that hold it from the inside of the door. The awkward part is getting this inner wing out without ripping your knuckles off. And as you can see, that came off without any drama whatsoever. I shall still go through this though. The nuts, bolts along the top, easy enough. There's one just there, and there's one that goes through the inner wing and through the bumper. They're not too tricky. The thing to do is to get the ones off the top first, and you can pull it out slightly, and then you can pull the inner wing, or the wing liner rather, so you can get to that one, because otherwise that's in the way. And then you can do the one there, so you access it through there like that, and then that one there is from the inside of the door. And it's worthwhile taking these brackets as well. Well, that's a bit annoying. You know, I do a few jobs on the car, I have to nip out for a bit, come back, have a cup of tea, answer a couple of messages, and then suddenly it's dark. How does that happen? Well, I know how it happens. That's what happens with time, but how does it happen without me noticing, without getting much more work done? Both of these silver wings are now off, so they can go and join my other 75 and ZT wings. I started spraying this subframe, then I had to sit down for a bit. Gosh, that's giving me a headache. It's really weird how some people get off on that kind of thing and enjoy it. It makes me feel horrible. Absolutely terrible. Yeah. Really disgusting. Ooh. My milk is frozen.